at Daytime Live. Listen, it's chat time, guys. So in the past weeks, there's been a series of high-profile feuds between several influencers, and they have gone viral, with details from both sides being leaked to the public. Now, the predominantly younger online community has been captivated by the drama, eagerly sharing their opinions. And the influencers have fueled the fire by releasing YouTube videos, TikToks, and leaked voice memos, each adding more fuel to the controversy. Yes, it has.
The two most prominent disputes began with one influencer accusing another of copying her branding and style, while another feud ignited after an influencer criticized a former friend's partner. The social media storm has ignited a new question among some, one that asks, when is it appropriate to take your disagreements online? And as an influencer, is it a smart business decision to begin with?
So the first question that we asked was, when is it appropriate to take your disagreements online? My response to that, I don't know if yours, I'll hear yours in a second. My response to that is, if your whole business is online, then your disagreement will be online. And for me, these influencers live online. We know every thought, we know a lot. Let me rephrase. I don't know a lot because I don't care. But they share a lot. So if you're sharing everything about your life on social media, then I think your disagreements will be shared there. The other thing I'll say is this particular conversation or disagreement that they've had, we, in the years I've done Daytime Live, have never discussed these particular two persons ever. And now that they're fighting, we're talking about them today. So is it a smart business decision? I feel like it is, because we're talking about them. And the point of being an influencer is to influence. And it may be positive or negative, but it certainly is to influence a conversation or initiate some kind of whatever. And they've initiated this conversation. So it's a smart business decision for your brand, for their brand. What do you think?
I don't think it's ever. I don't think it's unless you are your life is in danger, you're being threatened, and the powers that be, the authorities, aren't giving you the listening ear, and you want persons to be aware of the situation in case it escalates. I believe the only time it go online and you're back in your yard, you hang out some clothes and your neighbor got it. You pin up some clothes and you understand? But for me, maybe it's just my personality.
And your brand is not that.
Yeah, it's just my personality.
Yeah.
Though. If I'm going to have a disagreement with someone, it's going to be me and them, not me, them, and an audience.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
But I also feel like that's very true for you. If you have something to say, you are not. I just feel like that's not your brand, and I feel
but I know persons. But I know persons who their brand is online or as an influencer, and I put that in quotes purposefully. But if there are disagreements with somebody else, it's not online.
But the other thing that I want to just interject before, I want to hear what our audience have to say. But the other thing is, Kim Kardashian got her buzz from literally doing. Are
you sure?
Yes.
Be careful.
I heard. So my point is, she released something online. I know everybody's. So, is this really real?
She released.
I'm dating your ex-boyfriend, my ex. Anyway, let's hear what our audience have to say. Shall we? Who's got the microphone?
Okay, so my name is Rika, and...
Rika?
Yes, it's Rika.
Hey Rika, how you doing?
Hi, I'm fine.
All right.
So the thing is, it was this whole controversy about the clothing that was being worn. And I was saying, I watched both of them. And when they first came out and showed that this person is following everything that I did, they came with receipts and everything. But there was another side that was saying, you don't own the clothes and you don't own like this type of fashion. So if somebody wants to take inspiration from you, like, what gives you the right to tell them don't take it? When you have a person don't own it, so why are you being that way?
Got you. Okay.
Yeah, so there are other people that is doing the same thing, so why would you just call out that specific person?
Exactly. I hear what you're saying.
On her birthday.
Okay, girl. She has all the
Yes.
tea. All right, Rika. All right. Anybody else have a thought they want to share?
Rika plug
have more to
fully
say.
in,
No.
man.
Anybody
Rika
else want to share?
invested in a man.
Okay. Everyone's like, no, no.
No, they
Sir, what do you think?
They don't do the online.
Pass it along, Rika. Pass it along.
Can't do that to this.
Rika, do you have a? What do you think?
Antwin, honestly, at the end of the day, this is what influencers do. Create some kind of controversy if they have nothing important to say, and just have so that you guys can talk about it.
Thank you,
And they
Antoine.
get more followers.
You see you?
I agree. I concur. I'm glad you said the mic. See, because that's it right there. That is it. That is it, sir. Yeah, I agree with what he said.
Are you influenced by any influencer?
I think we're all subconsciously influenced
That's not the
by
question I
things.
ask you.
Am I personally consciously No. You understand me? I say that? No. If me not care. Me not even. I didn't even know anything about this story until our producer and our PA was like, so this is what's happening, because I'm not that person. I don't think. Bob Marley said emancipate yourself from mental slavery.
Yeah.
And so I try to keep my mind my mind free to talk about Christopher Columbus and how we are going to move forward and the Privy Council and whatever. I don't care. I don't care.
Let me ask this.
1 minute, yeah.
Is it how social media is processed that if you have it in mind that social media is just a form of entertainment and you shouldn't take it into real life, do you have a different view? Do you act differently towards influencers and social media information? Is that a question I'm asking?
Yeah, I think so, because I do think social media is for entertainment. So
Yeah, I just think it's entertainment.
I don't really
So
take
I'm
it
just
that
like,
seriously.
aye.
So it's not really going to influence my life like
Like
that.
Nigo Simara, yeah, general.
Yeah, and him funny, and him there dance, and
I
it's
don't- I
funny.
don't know that.
Man, he's hilarious, okay? So yeah, stop it now. Why you always stay like this? On that note, Nigos him say you're funny. Him said, Daytime Live will be right back. Okay, with
I
a
got
music
receipts.
video from Protege and Joshy. Don't want to miss it. We still go.